We're back out here at Needmore Speedway for the Early Bird, I want to say it's the 50th annual. So we're chasing $1,000. We got the car already from Alltech whenever we broke the control arm on the left front. I mean, not control arm, but tie rod. So yeah, the car's looking good right now. This part was bent in, that back arrow or plastic, it was pushed in. And then that little gash right there is still there. Then got into the wall a little bit. Maybe some new stuff since I quit recording them on here as they quit talking. The reason behind that is I was uploading the video from 2 or 3 races ago at Alltech and it messed up. So I just now got it where I can fix it. So I factory reset the GoPro and all. So she's sitting fine. Just a couple more paint scratches, but after this race we will be taking the whole body off or possibly something else. But if we do end up taking off the body, this is what we'll be doing. We'll be taking this quarter panel, obviously, because that's going to take a good 3 months to take off or so. Take the door off, all the doors, fenders, possibly hood, which I'd imagine. So maybe a new nose, but knowing him, he probably will. And especially a rear quarter panel on the right rear, because it looks absolutely terrible. So we'll probably get some more of these because this put a little beat up. But yep, that's her. We are in the works of my car. I do not think I've ever told anybody on the YouTube, but half the people that watch our YouTube race with us or knows about it on Facebook or my TikTok or the racing TikTok. But I got a car. We put the cage in it already. So after I gotta buy a couple more things for it. Still gotta pay like $1,000 something in it. But so far from there, that's that. And bought some new tires on her right there. Probably new rim, new tire and rim right there. All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get out here to the track and show y'all what the track looks like. All right, so we're at the track. It's a little wet. They're working in the track right now, or they're tilling it up right now. As you can see, they've got it tilled all up right there. But it's a little wet, which they had practice last night, so they've wetted it from last night, as you can see. And that's about it. But yeah, y'all, we look forward to a good night of racing here, and maybe we can get the second win here, which I would imagine if we win again, they're probably going to throw a bounty on us. But it just makes it more fun. So we're going to get out here, make a laps in a few hours or so, which won't be a few hours for y'all because I'll edit it. But all right, y'all. Well, y'all stay tuned. heat race. The right front, some of the right front was bent. Wait, yeah, it was the right front. All right. So we got the right front fixed. We had to go to the junkyard this morning. We took the car home last night. That I can take this buddy's house. About 10 minutes away from Needmore. I'll show you how this break apart. We actually brought it. The driver was surprised he did not go into the wall a couple times. But that is it. It's bent like crazy. So that's it. Well, we're gonna get out here for our future races. We got everybody out here still. Didn't nobody mainly tip their car last night, which is good. But